Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and use TeamViewer to control computers remotely. So first of all, let's download it. Then let's go to this link, it is teamviewer.com. And here we can either click on this download button, which allows us to download the version that is compliant with our operating system, or also we can click on this download button. So let's click on this button. Then in this page we can select the version of TeamViewer that we want to download. So we have the different operating systems that are supported by TeamViewer. In my case I am using Windows, and this is why Windows is already highlighted. So let's scroll down and let's click on this download button. So I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel this download. So this is the installer of TeamViewer that I have already downloaded. I have just to run it. In this window, let's select default installation and let's click on accept next. Then in this window we need to accept the license and let's click on continue. Now TeamViewer is installed correctly on my computer. So this is my ID. It is a unique ID that allows anyone to control my computer. And this is the password that is necessary to establish the connection with my computer and to control it. Of course, it is possible to change the password by clicking on this button. But this ID cannot be changed, so it is unique and it does not change. Now I will show you how to control a computer remotely. So to control a computer, I need first to obtain the ID and the password. So once I have the ID, I have to provide the ID in this field. So let's provide the ID just here. Then let's click on connect. But here we obtain this error message. This is because the remote computer did not run TeamViewer yet. So let's click on OK. Then let's go to the remote computer and let's start TeamViewer. Now TeamViewer is running on the remote computer. So let's click on connect. And here let's provide the password of the remote computer. Then let's click on login. And now we can see that I am connected to the remote computer. So the remote computer is using Ubuntu. Now I can minimize this window to obtain my computer. And I can go back to TeamViewer to control the remote computer. So I can open any folder. For example, let's open this folder. And we can of course close it. So here we have several options. For example, let's click on actions. And here we can click on this button to close the session. So we can also go to view, and here we can switch to full screen. It is also possible to have a voice call. So we can go to communicate, and here we can click on this button. Then we can enable the microphone. So to stop the session, I can just click on this close button. Now I will show you how to connect to my computer from a remote computer. So I need to provide this ID and this password to the remote computer. So let's do this. Now the remote computer is controlling my computer. And if I want to stop this session, I have just to click on this close button.